Greetings colleagues, today I want us to incorporate the three tools, my SDLR, Notebook LM, as well as Copilot. Let's start with the SDLR. So here, let's go to the GDE content, grade 11. So on this one, go to FET. And remember colleagues, you choose your own subject, which is mine, is geography. So here, let's take term 1. Term 1, we are going to look on this chapter, Notes on Climate and Relief. Let's click on that one. Scroll down. If you look at these notes, colleagues, you'll see that these are just the PDF. There are no much explanation here. Download them. And we're going to save the notes. And when you save the notes, you'll be able to work on them on our next segment. Thank you, colleagues.